Hey, what's up guys? Luke Profits. What are your selling limits when dropshipping on Amazon? If you're new to dropshipping on Amazon and you're coming from other platforms like eBay or something like that, you might be wondering, what are your seller limits when dropshipping on Amazon? Well, actually, it's kind of surprising, but Amazon doesn't have any seller limits. You have unlimited items that you're allowed to list, unlimited, dollar amounts that you're allowed to list. There aren't any seller limits when selling on Amazon. The only thing is they do have certain categories that as a brand new seller, you might not be allowed to sell in until you've got more of an established selling history, but you can always request to be allowed to sell in those categories called being ungated. You can always request to have certain categories ungated for you, and then you'll be allowed to sell on them. Initially, they won't want to do it right away. You got to have a little bit of like history with Amazon and sort of establish that trust there. But as soon as you've established some trust and Amazon believes, everything about your account is like really, pretty confident that you can sell stuff. It's easy to get ungated, and yeah, you don't have any kind of selling limits. You can, sell as much as you want, as high of a dollar amount, and as many items as you want. You don't have any kind of limit like that, like you would with eBay or something like that. So that's one of the really cool things about Amazon. Amazon's really cool, and not having selling limits at all is definitely a massive plus. Well, guys, that's it for the video. If you're new to dropshipping on Amazon and you're trying to figure out how to get started, I've got a full free set of training videos down there, link in the description. Goes over everything you need to know to get started dropshipping on Amazon. And Amazon's great because compared to other platforms, it's actually super easy to get sales with very few listings because there's so many more buyers on Amazon and so many few sellers that you're competing with compared to other platforms like eBay. If you've got any questions about anything dropshipping related, feel free to hit me up on Facebook. I'll put a link down there, as well as a link to a group that I started that has hundreds of other dropshippers in it that you can join. I post new content on this channel every few days, so go ahead and subscribe and hit the notifications, and I'll be back with another video in a couple days.